Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch between navigational gestures and buttons on your Samsung Galaxy or other Android operating system phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear button. And now you want to go down and select display and touch. And then go down underneath navigation mode. Go ahead and select that. So then you can switch between either the gesture navigation, 2-button navigation, or a 3-button navigation. And you can read a little bit more about what each of those are. And you can also have the ability to adjust the circle to search option if you want to enable or disable that option on your phone, which would touch and hold the home button or navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. So different options here to explore, and that's pretty much all you'd have to do. And you select the little gear icon next to the gesture navigation option there, and you can adjust the sensitivity as well as the swipe to invoke assistant option up here at the top. You can toggle that on or off. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.